Hey guys, Leanne here on GradysMom. I have a Walmart haul for you, and I'm going to start on this side and work my way over there. So I grabbed some of these Purdue chicken nuggets. I really like these. I like them because they taste more like homemade to me, and they're always in the like refrigerated section, so they're not the frozen kind, if that makes sense. And my son will sometimes eat these. He's very phasey with them, but every once in a while he'll eat them. They don't go to waste though, because Matt and I like them a lot. They actually are a good little lunch, or sometimes I'll bake them and cut them up and put them on salads. They just have a really nice taste. So I got those. I got some Pillsbury Pie Crust because I want to make a couple quiche today. I'm filming this on a Sunday. We needed some of these specific light bulbs for one of our fans, so I got those. A big thing of raspberries for my son because he mows through these. Like I usually get the small ones and he mows through that in like 2 days. So I got the larger one. Some eggs for the quiche, and we use eggs anyways. I also got this Bailey's Vanilla Cream Coffee Creamer. 3 boxes of the Kraft Original Mac and Cheese. I got this. This is the All-American Sandwich Spread. It's sort of like a Thousand Island kind of spread. I get it every once in a while, so I thought that would be good. Some extra toasty Cheez-Its. Some of the Hormel brand cheddar pepperoni. You can kind of see it through the bag a little bit, and of course you guys will see it in the lunch video. Some ham for the quiche, and whatever's left I'll use for sandwiches. I got a very large bag of sharp cheddar because I'm going to use half for the quiche and half I'm going to make a batch of broccoli cheddar twice baked potatoes. I got some mozzarella string cheese for my husband. Here is the head of broccoli I'm going to use for the broccoli and cheese twice baked potatoes. I got another vanilla almond breeze blue diamond almond milk for my 310 smoothies that I have during the week in the morning. I got a huge bag of kale for the Zuppa Toscana soup. Some of these Mastriani Brothers Poppy Seed Rolls. This is a local-ish brand. The Mastriani brand, they make really good breads and rolls. So I got those for sandwiches. I got some Pepperidge Farm Cinnamon Swirl Bread. We've been eating the pumpkin one and it's really good, so I got the cinnamon one. I got some Fresh Express sweet butter lettuce for salads for the week. Bag of potatoes because I didn't have enough potatoes already to make the broccoli cheese potatoes. Some Gain Botanical plant-based detergent. I mainly use Persil, but I do like this one, and also Tide makes a plant-based one that I like as well. So every once in a while I'll switch it up. I have a little bit of Persil left, but I don't like to run out of laundry detergent because I do a load pretty much every day. I got a gallon of water for my coffee, a case of water to bring to, actually I'm probably just going to bring this right to work. I probably should have left it in my car. I'm just going to bring this whole case right to work and leave it in my little like work fridge. I got some grape crush because Matt requested it. I think he had one last week like at work. I don't remember where, but I remember him saying he had grape crush and it was really good. So I grabbed it because I saw it. And then I got some Labatt Blue beer for a Halloween party we were going to. It's a bring your own beer type of party. I don't drink beer, but we just got it to bring it and contribute to whatever everybody else has. But this is everything from Walmart, and I'm going to share after this either another smaller haul or the meal plan. I'm not really sure yet what this week is going to look like. Alright, so it is Thursday. Yes, it's Thursday, and I actually had a half day at work. I had an appointment around noon, like on my lunch hour, and after my appointment I went to the Aldi that just opened. It's kind of a weird scenario. So we had an Aldi originally, and they moved into a way bigger building. They actually moved into the old Toys R Us, Babies R Us building, which is huge. So they only move right up the street, but it's like 4 times the size, 5 times the size of the old store. So they had sent out a mailer with like coupons. So I thought, why not I have a half a day at work. I have a couple hours extra, so I decided to stop by since I had the coupon. So I got $5 off, which was great because of the coupon. So I spent $38 after the coupon. I'm going to share everything from Aldi, and then I did get a couple things from Walmart that I had to get. So from Aldi, I grabbed this large half and half. It was $1.55, which was a great deal. My friend Christy just sent me this pumpkin chocolate chip walnut cookie recipe, and one of the things that you need is pumpkin pie mix, pumpkin puree mix. So I grabbed a can of that. We actually needed hot sauce, so I got some Frank's Red Hot Original. We use this a lot with eggs and on breakfast skillets. I got some roasted garlic bagel chips. I thought I would take those to work on Monday and just leave them at work for like a little snack. I got some cauliflower to roast up, some tomato medley, tricolor tomato, mini tomatoes to roast up or throw in salads. The blueberries looked really good, so I grabbed a big thing of blueberries. I was super excited for these cotton candy grapes. I've been seeing them all over the place, like on social media and Facebook and stuff, so I'm always on the hunt for them whenever they come out, and we've been on a major green grape kick, so I think Grady's really going to like these. I know that I am, and they were $2.79, which was a great deal. I got some hydroponic butter lettuce for salads and sandwiches, some of the Aldi Breakfast Best croissant, sausage, egg, and cheese breakfast sandwiches for my husband. Usually I get the Great Value or the Jimmy Dean, but I thought I would try those out. These are so good. They were $5.79. This is a 36 pack. I usually get them at Walmart, and they're much more at Walmart. So I was very excited for these. My son, myself, and Matt all like these. I got some chopped walnuts for that pumpkin cookie recipe that my friend Christy sent me. I grabbed some bite-sized dry salami because we're going to have some people over for football on Sunday, which I'm looking forward to because we haven't been home the past few weekends. We've had a lot of stuff going on. This Saturday, the day after you're seeing this, we've got a couple Halloween parties. It's going into the really busy time of year for us, and I love it. So got some dry salami to put out with cheese and crackers and a veggie platter. I got some Friendly Farms, which is an Aldi brand, yogurt pouches for my son to try, mixed berry and strawberry banana, much cheaper than the Danimals or the Stonyfield, so hopefully he likes these, and I'll grab some more. I also got for football these toasted ravioli, beef ravioli. Olive Garden has this almost exact thing on their appetizer menu, and me and my husband always get them whenever we go to Olive Garden. So I'm excited to try these. You just bake them up. I already have marinara, so I thought these would be a great addition to put out for football this weekend. I also got the Friendly Farms Moo Tubes. They're like the Go-Go Squeezer tubes. Cotton candy and Blaston Melonberry. And then all that stuff I just showed you was $38 with the coupon. And then from Walmart, I had to grab, I definitely needed wipes, makeup wipes. I had literally none. I mean, obviously I could use a baby wipe, but I just like to use makeup wipes, and I've been really liking the Walmart brand. I just finished a 40 pack of the Walmart brand regular, like original blue package wipes, and I was gonna grab them again, but right next to them I saw these coconut water ones, and they're paraben free. There's 40 in a pack, and they're $3.48. Great deal. All the name brand wipes are like 25 or 30 in a pack, so you get an additional 10 or 15, and it's cheaper even with more quantity. So I'm excited for these. And my son recently tried these. I cannot remember where. I think we were at like a play date and someone had them. And he's been asking me for them, but he doesn't. They're called Belvita Bites, but he calls them Blueberry Bites. And it's just so cute. But anyways, he's asked me for these the past couple days, so I made sure I grabbed them when I went to Walmart, because I literally went to Walmart just for these, and I grabbed these for my son, so he's going to be really excited. He asks me for them in the morning, and it's the cutest thing. But anyways, this is everything from Aldi and those couple things from Walmart. I'm going to share now my meal plan for next week. Alright, so my meal plan for Sunday the 27th through Saturday, November 2nd. This is definitely not in any particular order. They never are, by the way. So on Halloween, which is next week, I already know we're going out for dinner because after Grady gets out of school and goes to therapy, we're going to go trick-or-treating. So before trick-or-treating, we'll just grab something quick. It might be like a pizza night or just a really easy kind of, you know, out to dinner kind of a meal, nothing fancy. It'll just be my husband, myself, and Grady, and then my mom is going to go trick-or-treating with us, so she'll probably come along. Another night next week, I'm going to do cream of broccoli soup with a salad. This is going to be our no meat night. I do have a cooking video on my cream of broccoli soup, so I'll link that down below. I've got shrimp to use up, so I'm going to thaw it out, chop it up, and then pan fry it, and I'll use the shrimp for shrimp tacos. I'll get some kind of coleslaw mix and make some kind of a slaw with it, and then we'll either do chips and salsa or maybe just some simple nachos in the oven. I've got sausage and peppers to use up, so I'm going to do a pasta bake, which will just have sausage, peppers, some kind of a cheese, and then you bake it all with the cooked pasta. It's really yummy. And I'll just do a simple salad on the side. I'm going to do an egg roll in a bowl. I have a video on that, which I'll link below as well. And I think I've got some sticky rice in the freezer, the Innovation, so I'll go ahead and make that with the egg roll on this side. Football on Sunday, I'm going to do the toasted ravioli. I always make a veggie platter. And then I'll do cheese crackers with that pepperoni from Aldi. And I might do a pot of, like a crock pot of chili, depending how many people we have coming over. And whenever we do have people over, they always contribute as well. So it's not only me cooking for everybody. Everybody definitely brings something, whether it's an appetizer, a dessert, chips. Everybody contributes. So it's really fun just doing that on Sundays and getting together. And then, of course, I have my freebie night, which I can make whatever I'm in the mood for. So that's the meal plan for the upcoming week. I hope you all have a great weekend, and I will see you on Monday with a new video.